The roofing industry wants you to believe that a shingle is a shingle, that as long as it has a 30-year warranty stamped on the wrapper, you are protected from whatever the sky throws at the house. But here is what they do not want you to know. The 5 brands that get pushed hardest in your driveway after a hailstorm are often the same 5 brands that fail before half their warranty has expired. And the warranty itself is engineered to make sure you never collect on it. I have spent 28 years inspecting and renovating homes in and around Chicago, over 10,000 of them. I have pulled enough shingles off enough roofs to know which manufacturers cut corners and which ones quietly built something to last. I get offered margin on these brands every quarter. I do not take it. Today, I am naming the 5 roofing brands that are quietly robbing American homeowners blind, and the 5 that are actually worth what you pay for them. Now let me start with the brand you heard of. The brand whose name still shows up in courtrooms. The first brand on the skip list is Atlas Chalet Shingles. Sold from the late 1990s until 2010, marketed with a 30-year limited warranty, designed to look like a high-end architectural shingle at a budget price. That last part was the truth. The rest was the scam. By 2013, federal courts had consolidated lawsuits from across the country into a single multi-district case in Atlanta. The allegation was straightforward. The manufacturing process let moisture creep into the shingle, which created gas bubbles, which made the surface blister, crack, and shed its granules. Sometimes within the first year of being on a roof, Atlas discontinued the Chalet line in 2010, but never issued a recall. Some homeowners filed warranty claims and got a settlement check that did not come close to a roof replacement. Most got the runaround. If you bought a home built between 1999 and 2010 in the Southeast, particularly the Atlanta suburbs, there is a real chance you have these shingles on your roof right now. There is no like and quality replacement available. The whole roof has to come off. Now for a brand still being installed today with a warranty designed to deny you. IKO's Cambridge AR shingles are sold in lumberyards across the country. The wrapper says 30-year limited warranty. Read that sentence twice, because IKO's warranty is something the rest of the industry abandoned years ago. It is a leak-only warranty. If your shingles curl, if they crack, if they shed granules until your gutters look like a sandbox, none of that is covered. The shingle has to be physically letting water through the roof deck before IKO will look at the claim. After 28 years, you stop reading marketing. You read fine print. And the fine print on these shingles is doing exactly what it was written to do. Multiple class actions have been filed in the United States and Canada. A $30 million settlement was reached in 2019 just to extend warranties by 5 years. 3 states' attorneys general have sued IKO over warranty practices. The product is still on the shelf. The warranty has not changed. Now, for the brand whose Better Business Bureau complaint file reads like a horror novel. TAMKO Heritage shingles have a documented pattern of granule loss within 5 years of install. Cracking, curling, class action lawsuits going back over a decade, alleging the company never tested how long the shingles would actually last. And TAMKO's warranty does something most homeowners never read until it is too late. It only transfers to a second owner if you register within 5 years of the original install. After that window closes, the warranty is gone. The shingle is still on your roof. The defect is still happening. But the company has no obligation to talk to you. Spring of 2024, I am up on a roof in Beverly, south side of Chicago. Brick bungalow, second owners. They had moved in 2 years earlier. Shingles were installed in 2012 by the family before. Wife was a paralegal. Husband drove a delivery route for a beverage distributor. Their gutters filled with granules every storm. They filed the warranty claim, got a denial letter back the same week. The shingles carried a 30-year limited warranty, but the transfer window had closed in 2017. They were past it by 7 years. The denial letter was still pinned to their fridge with a magnet shaped like a dachshund. The new roof cost them $18,400. The shingles had lasted 12 years on a 30-year warranty. Now for the brand whose name is on more roofs than any other in America. GAF Timberline is the most installed shingle line in the country. There is a reason every roofing contractor keeps a pallet of them in the warehouse, and it is not the quality. It is the margin. The basic Timberline line was the subject of a class action settlement covering shingles manufactured between 1998 and 2009 in plants from Mobile, Alabama to Fontana, California. GAF's own internal investigation traced the failures back to defective raw materials. Their own documents called it the company's fastest growing problem. They never recalled. They settled the case after nearly a decade in court and paid a fraction of what the affected homeowners were actually owed. Today's basic Timberline is a different formula, but the contractor incentive is the same. GAF runs the most aggressive distributor margin program in residential roofing. The contractors who push it hardest are the ones earning the highest kickback on volume. The honest installers I work with read these warranty documents the same way I do, with skepticism. Most of them install GAF only because the customer asked for it by name. Now for the brand currently being sued for the same defect that hit their previous lawsuit. CertainTeed settled a class action in 2010 over their organic asphalt shingle line. The defect was straightforward. The adhesive that held the shingles together gave out. They warped, lifted, and blew off in wind events that should not have damaged a properly bonded roof. CertainTeed paid out, switched to fiberglass shingles, and moved on. The landmark line is the fiberglass replacement, and as of October 2025, attorneys are pursuing a fresh class action, alleging the landmark, Independence, and presidential fiberglass lines are exhibiting the same failure pattern: severe granule loss, adhesion failure, cracking, warping, all before the warranty period is up. Homeowners across the country are reporting the same complaints, the kind of complaints CertainTeed already settled once before. The pattern is the diagnosis. If a manufacturer settles a lawsuit and then changes one ingredient in the formula, but keeps the rest of the engineering identical, you do not have a fix. You have the next round of the same problem. That covers the 5 brands I would not put on my own house, my mother's house, or any house I am inspecting for a buyer. Now for the part most YouTube videos skip, the 5 brands that actually deliver what their warranty promises. The first brand worth your money is Malarkey Vista. Out of the entire asphalt shingle category, this is the one I recommend without hesitation. The reason is the engineering. Malarkey rubberizes the asphalt core using SBS polymers. In plain English, the shingle bends instead of cracking when something hits it. A standard architectural shingle hit by hail can lose up to 20% of its granules in the first year. The Vista loses about 1%. It carries the highest hail rating you can get, Class 4. It meets the fortified roof standard from the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety, which is the strictest residential standard in the country. Independent hail testing rated only 4 shingles in America as excellent or good across every performance category. Malarkey made 2 of them. The Vista is the only mid-tier shingle on that list, meaning you are not paying luxury prices to get luxury performance. The wider nailing strip means installers can hit the right spot every time. That changes how the roof performs in wind. The second brand worth your money is Owens Corning True Definition Duration. The Duration line is built around a feature called Sure Nail, which is a fabric strip embedded directly into the nailing zone. Most shingles fail in wind events because the installer missed the nail line by a 1/4 inch. With Duration, the strip gives the installer a wide, visible target the size of a thumb. Independent testing shows nail holding strength around 3 times what standard shingles deliver. The wind warranty runs to 130 miles per hour. Duration carries a lifetime limited warranty against manufacturing defects when installed by a platinum preferred contractor, and the warranty actually transfers in a meaningful way. Owens Corning has had its share of problems over the decades. Their old Supreme 3-tab line got pulled into the same kind of lawsuit storm that took down Atlas Chalet. But the duration is a different decision. Heavier shingle, better adhesive, a nail zone designed by someone who watched roofs fail in the real world. This next one is going to surprise you. CertainTeed Presidential TL is on the recommended list. Same manufacturer whose landmark line I just told you to avoid. The Presidential TL is a triple laminated luxury shingle. It weighs almost twice as much per square as the landmark. And the asphalt is heavier. The fiberglass mat is thicker. The adhesive is stronger. Many homeowners association communities require the Presidential TL specifically, and they require it because over 30 years of installs, the failure rate has been low enough to write into bylaws. This is the lesson. The same company can manufacture two products with the exact same brand name on the wrapper. The choice happens at the engineering meeting. The consequence happens in your basement. The fourth brand worth your money is Da Vinci Roofscapes. If you want the look of natural slate or cedar shake without the $30,000 weight problem and the ongoing maintenance and quinzas. Pasujin donai barat, the end of thy sherbor insas. Da Vinci shingles are made from engineered virgin polymer with built-in UV stabilizers. They carry the same Class 4 hail rating as Malarkey, a Class A fire rating, and a wind warranty up to 110 miles per hour. Hurricane zone installation methods are rated to 180. The lifetime limited warranty includes a 10-year non-prorated period, meaning if it fails in the first decade, Da Vinci replaces the material at full value with no proration math. They are made in Kansas City. They are recyclable. Properly installed, you get 40 to 50 years of roof out of them. The cost is significantly higher than asphalt, but if you have ever priced natural slate or cedar shake, Da Vinci comes in at less than half. A roof that lasts twice as long for a quarter more upfront is the right math. The last brand on the worth it list is not a shingle at all. It is a system. Standing seam metal roofing from a manufacturer like Englert or McElroy. A properly installed standing seam steel roof lasts 40 to 70 years. The premium aluminum and zinc systems push that to 100. The interlocking panel design lets the metal expand and contract with temperature without cracking. Wind ratings up to 140 miles per hour are standard. The Kynar 500 paint finish carries a separate 30 to 40 year warranty against fading. After that, the panels can be repainted for another 30 to 50 years of service. You will spend 2 to 2.5 times what an asphalt roof costs up front. You will also avoid the second and third roof replacement an asphalt shingle requires over the next 50 years. Insurance companies offer 5 to 35% premium discounts for impact-resistant metal in hail-prone states. The math turns positive faster than most homeowners expect. This is the roof I am putting on my own house when the current one comes off. Here's what I want you to take away from this. The 5 brands robbing American homeowners blind are not failing because of bad luck or improper installation or unusual weather. They are failing because the engineering decision was made to fail. The 5 worth your money were each engineered with one specific choice. Heavier asphalt, the wider nail strip, the rubberized core, the longer panel that the cheaper brands chose not to make. The most surprising piece of this whole investigation for me was that CertainTeed appears on both lists. Same brand on the wrapper. 2 completely different decisions inside the package. That tells you everything about how this industry actually works. Drop a comment if you have one of the brands on the skip list. I want to know what your experience has been, and I read every comment that comes through. And if your roof is more than 15 years old, Get an inspection from someone who does not sell shingles. That is the protection your warranty pretends to give you